Hi, this is Tareq. Thank you very much for watching. I will show you how to do programming in Visual Studio 2015. Here is the link. You will find the Visual Studio 15 and then you can install it. I could have used 2000 Visual Studio 2017 also, but I am using 2015 because it is more comfortable to me and this is also bug free. Just copy and paste this link to your browser. I am using here the Firefox browser. When you enter here and you will get this page, and just choose the first one, Visual Studio Common 2015 with update 3, and this is just install it. This is 64-bit exe file, and you will get Visual Studio like this. I will show you this project about how to add the two number and see the result. Just go to the file menu and here is new and open. If you want to create new file, you can create new and then you choose anyone. And if you have the project you want to open it, then you need to go to open. For the time being, I am now going to new and the website. For your kind information, I want to say that I am using Visual Studio Web version, where you can write, where you can make a project and you can use it in the web, and also you can use IIS, Microsoft IIS, Internet Information Services, and I will show you later on that. For the time being, just see how to open a file, do some programming and then see the result. Please follow me. Don't forget to like and share my video, and you will get the link, this link from the notepad. I will give it to you on the description within the video. Just go to file and then new the website. You will get a window like this. Just choose Visual Studio C#, then choose ASP.NET empty website. I will get an empty website and then get the files that I needed, and the name should be as like you want. Yeah, on the timing I am giving the website name is www SIT1, and just leave the other things like this, like here file system, yeah? And then OK. Sorry for that. My web 1 should be the name. Now yes, project is created, website is created, named my web 1. Here two files created automatically and in default. This is default file, and this is web.config file, and this is web debug config file. I am showing you about the web config file. Web config file is constructed with XML tags, and here you can change these tags as you need. And when you use it in IIS, in Microsoft IIS, then you have to change many things in the web.config file, like you can give authorization of the user, or you can give more techniques here. And one thing you have to mention that Visual Studio 2015 target for is 4.5.2. You cannot change this. master number. If you change this, you will not run this project here. Yeah. Anyway, for the time being, just close it, and I will open a new file here. Go to add. Just right click on new project. Go to add, and then go to add new item. I will add a web form here. Then just leave it like this, default.sps. Yeah, and then click add. One thing I have to mention that this if you click this add button, it will create two files. One is extension is aspx, and another extension is aspx.cs. and this is a file. You can write here HTML codes and CSS or JavaScript, something like that, and on this .cs file you can write only C# code, and you can call tag by use ID in the C# file. Now I am showing you this. Just click add button. See, here two files are created. One is default.sps and one is default.sps.cs. This is default.sps file, and that is default.sps.cs file. You can write here C# code. What I will do, I will make here three text. I will three text box and the button. I'm copying it from my file. It is not time. I think it is not time saving, so I wrote it before and just copy it, and I will explain you. These are ASP.NET text box, and this ID, and you have to run this. You have to write this tab. Run it is equal to server. If you don't write run at server, you cannot call it in the C# file. This file. Yeah. So you have to write here run at server, and these are the text1, text2, text3, and this is a button tag, and this is the ID is button 1. Yeah. And the text is addition. Here just click here. Now source is selected. You just click on design. You see three text box, text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, and the button and addition. What we will do, we will put a number on text box 1, put another number on text box 2, and we click on addition button. It will show the result on the text box 3. And I'm showing you this. Again select design mode and just double click addition button. So it is created a function on button on the click function, and you can write here code. And see on the default.sps file, if you click on source, see here this is generated automatically. When you click on the button btn1, then it created an event named on click, and the function name is button on click. When you click this button, it will execute the codes right between these two brackets. Yeah, I'll show you. Just copy it. Paste it here. See here, this is text box 3 ID. You can call any text from the SPX file in the CS file by its tag name and ID. See here, text1, text3, 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 and text2 and button 1. These are the IDs. You call here text3.text like this, and then how to do it. You write here two text box 1 and text box 2, and then we convert it to int type. I mean, you cannot add to text value or string value. You have to convert e to integer, a number, and then you can just add this to number. And outside this, what we did, we wrap it by bracket and then again convert it to string, because you have to put the value from here to text box 3. Text box 3 is a text field, so you have to again convert it to string by writing this function name here, and simply you have to put a dot, and then it will put the value add value to the text box here, and there is no error. Yeah, see, there is no error. What I do, I will run this program on Firefox. You can run this on Chrome or Opera or any browser. Yeah? Just click here, a single click to open a tab in the Firefox browser. Just waiting. This is step box 1, right here any number like 11, and this is step box 2, right here anything like 29. Just click on addition, it will show the result on text box 3. See, 40. Right here 110, and here 290, see, 400. So just imagine and click on the set button to come back to the programming mode, from the running mode. And this is the first lesson, and just follow my lectures, and don't forget to click on like and share button. And thank you very much.